Hey Grant, this is my phone right here. I'm gonna turn on some bubble guppies. See? Bubble guppies? Can you see bubble guppies?
Hi, it's me, Molly, and it's time.
Oh my goodness, my phone is underwater. It's swimming with the fishies. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
You want your bubble guppies in the fish tank, Mommy? Let's get the fishies.
No.
The bubble guppies are gonna get the fishies.
No.
Don't chase the fish with it.
Okay.
No.
Let's go wash it off in the sink.